Welcome to the Louisiana Workforce Commission Hire Academy, where you will learn the employer essentials for navigating the hire system and managing all of your UI business needs. Our tutorials will guide you along using easy-to-follow step-by-step video instructions. This guide will walk you through the process of changing your password, ensuring you maintain a secure account. Click here to access to the sign-in or registration page. Enter your username and password credentials in the fields provided. Then click on Sign In to log into your account. Close the dialog box. You can access your profile details from here. Navigate to Contacts or Users. Select the specific user. Now access account information from here. Initiate the password change process. Set a new password that meets the password requirements. Re-enter your new password in the second field to confirm accuracy. In the last field, enter the current password used to log into this session. Click on Update Password to save your new password. Now, your password has been successfully changed and saved. This guide covered accessing the login page, navigating to the password change section, setting a new password that meets the higher security requirements. For questions, contact us at employerservices@lwc.la.gov or visit www.laworks.net to find more tutorial videos.